Okay guys, today we'll be checking out the newest halogen bulbs from Philips. These are the NightGuide Platinums. These are for the North American market only. Or you can only buy them in North America. I'm not sure yet, as there's not a lot of information on these yet. So, looks like I was reading, someone sent an email to Philips and they're saying you can only buy these on Amazon. So, that's where I got them. But they're pretty interesting because they're made in all different places around the world. So they all say, so these are the 9005s. These ones say designed in Germany, made in Korea. Got the 9012 HIR2s. These are designed in Germany, made in Poland. And the H7s are designed in Germany and made in Poland. But yeah, these are a replacement for the Extreme Visions sold in North America, or so I'm told. These don't claim to be any wider than factory bulbs. They're just up to 3400K, but 130% brighter, and the lifetime says it's just under 200 hours. And they have the Philips quality seal or the authenticity seal. But let's open one of these up and take a look at them. So here's the 9005, part number underneath it, 9005, 65 watt. It's hard, yeah, it feels like the plastic of it is a bit different than the Extreme Vision Pro 150s, so I think these are just might be a little bit on the cheaper side, but we'll know for sure when we do a lux meter test on it. Let's take a look at the HIR2s. That's interesting. Looks like the weld on there, the spot weld, got a bit too hot. As you can see, it's a little bit burnt. Hopefully it still works. Looks like it has the HIR coating on it, so that's good. It says Poland underneath. And the last one we're going to check out is the H7. Here's the H7. Philips, 55 watt, 12 volt. This looks like it says XVG on the bottom of them. I guess that's the new code for these. Got a nice chrome top. These look very similar to the Philips Extreme Vision Pro 150s. So maybe it's just what they're going to call them in North America. But let's install them and do a lux test on them and see how bright they are.